Meaning of insolation.
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 Insolation. Insolation refers to the amount of solar radiation that reaches the Earth's surface. It is determined by factors such as the time of day, latitude, atmospheric conditions, and season. Insolation has important implications for many natural and human activities, including agriculture, weather forecasting, energy production, and climate change. Understanding insolation patterns and changes over time helps us to better predict weather patterns, plan for renewable energy sources, and understand how global climate is impacted by human activities. Accurate measurements of insolation are taken using specialized instruments, such as pyranometers and spectroradiometers.